Come on, let's go concert. Okay, say everyone. Come on, let's go concert.
Come on, everyone, let's concert. Come
I
on,
never see
everyone,
you
let's
anymore.
concert.
Eh, everyone, I never see you anymore.
Involve.
Come, come. Come out the door. That's gone away. Uy, ano raw? Ano raw? Ano raw? Okay, magiging serious na tayo. So ang subject nyo sa akin today will be oral communication, everyone. So, ang topic natin is communication itself. So, everyone, do you have any ideas what is communication?
Me.
Hey, Miss Joel, please speak up. What is
Okay.
communication for you?
Being quiet.
Quiet.
Bro,
Me.
ano communication?
Okay. For me, communication is when a people having a conversation or talking about something and they're making um great understanding with each other.
Hey, very well said, Miss Joel. Yes, Mr. King, what's your opinion about communication? Um, I said this is a very serious conversation, Miss King Pogi. I, Mr. King Pogi, if you don't take me
Communication.
seriously, you can go out of this classroom, okay?
Breathe.
And ang ingay mong like kitang putang ina mo.
Ako, madam.
Communication.
I
Si
said this
Chudo,
is
madam.
yes, Miss Ju. What's your idea about communication?
For me, information is the exchange of information between two or more individuals.
Oh my God, that's a very good answer, Miss Ju.
Thanks, madam.
That gets my point, okay? Communication is the process of exchanging or sharing information, like Miss Ju said, ideas or feelings between two or more individual or groups, often with the goal of achieve mutual understanding. Ina.
King.
Okay, tatae ka? Oh, duwel nga tatae daw to.
Ah. King, maupo.
So, yung hindi uupo,
Oh,
ibablock ko. Yung hindi
communication.
uupo, ibablock ko, okay?
Communication. It's like
Sasama ko sa'yo.
CR na kayo.
bro,
Okay.
wait
Sana ba
lang.
ako? Um, with the goal of achieving mutual understanding. It involves, for real, it's amazing real. Like, tignan mo itong mga putang inang to. Mga kulang ata to ng ganyan, kaya ganyan. Oh, oh sige, oh, kajot, oh. Oh, oh. Okay, everyone, mag-evacuate tayo. Lilipat tayo ng room. Doon tayo sa may tubig.
Bro, what the fuck is... What the fuck is this? Bro, we're done. The teacher. Who the hell's the teacher?
Sige, bro, prank ka na.
We're done. The teacher.
Money. Money.
Hello. Yeah.
I Kore, yeah, on there.
Ah, okay. Come, sister. So,
Meow, 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 meow.
I do not speak Japanese, so I do apologize if I do not understand what you're saying.
oh, it's okay.
I see. It is
I'm from
peculiar.
Japan.
Meow, meow.
Where
Meow.
from?
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow, meow, meow,
Okay.
meow.
Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow,
Okay.
meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow,
Bro.
meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow. Cat. Yeah, 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 yeah. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, 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 meow.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Ay, wow.
bakit parang nakaka nakakatakot yung boss.
Ay, sorry, sorry,
Nakalunok
sorry.
ka ba, Rambutan?
Hindi. Hindi.
Much better, Mr. So, Mr. H&N. So, everyone, I'm asking everyone if anong gusto nyong maging topic for junior high school, senior high school, or college?
Understanding the self po.
So, hindi. Anong gusto nyong topic from grade school, from grade school, high school, senior high school, or college? Anong gusto nyo ron?
Ano ba talaga?
Ano?
Cheers!
Junior high school.
Topic.
Junior high school daw po.
Okay. So,
Science.
science.
Thoughts. Criminology.
Tangina, sino ba? Ano ba? Ano ba talaga?
Wait lang. Naguguluhan ako eh. Isang topic lang kasi.
Katabi ko yung maingay, katabi ko maingay.
Ako ba?
Nahihirapan eh. Dapat nasa.
Wait lang.
Go po na.
Uy, Susie.
Wait lang. Mag-unity pirate lang ako dito, okay?
Ay, wiki.
Ay, sorry.